1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 robots moving in autonomous. As a piece of coral flies all the way from Stealth Manipulator into the trough of the level 1 part of the reef on the blue side. Red Alliance scoring 3 pieces of level 4 coral in that autonomous mode at 7 points a pop. Plus their autonomous lead score gives them now currently a live score in Chiliop of 42-13 with 2 minutes left to play. 4089 is Stealth Robotics of the Blue Alliance. They're lining up with the Blue Alliance Coral Station to give themselves a piece of coral. Red Alliance doing the same as 3218. Panther Robotics attempts to line up a piece of coral with the level 3 branches. That is good for 4 points. They quickly reset and cycle back to grab another. On the other side of the Red Alliance half is 2522. That's Royal Robotics. They're at the coral station on the front side of the field trying to grab themselves a piece of coral. I see one slide towards their robot. That one falls to the wayside, but they quickly grab another. That one ends up in the level 1 trough for 2 points to their Alliance score. 4512 Otter Chaos. They have a piece of coral in their robot. They bump into one of the pre-staged coral on their way back towards the reef, and they gently deposit that piece of coral into the level 1 trough. Red Alliance has successfully delivered 2 pieces of algae through their processor. Now make that a third from Panther. 2 pieces of algae successfully make their way into the Blue Alliance net. Unfortunately, that third piece did not make it into the net for the 4 points, but Panther Robotics does cycle it back through the processor once again for another 6 points. And now that is good for the 4 points into the net for the Blue Alliance as well. Panthers have another piece of algae through the processor, now going for a 5th as the Neobots spins around in front of their reef before making their way back towards the coral station. 20 seconds remain as Royal Robotics attempts to drop off another piece of coral into their reef. Several pieces, I'd say about half of the level 4 branches of the Blue Alliance reef are filled with coral, as well as a variety of coral across the trough. Another successful piece of algae scored in the net for Blue. Robots in varying states of climb. Our referees hit the final call as to who is what and where. We've got a green light. We're ready to go see our scores. Red Alliance takes home the victory in that last match. 112-79, the final tally. With 4 ranking points going to those Red Alliance teams. Royal Robotics remains in first position at the moment, but we've still got